All right, it's time to do a little bit more Jeep content. So this poor thing's been sitting for almost 2 years now, and it's time to get her running again. I need to start daily driving her again. But I've been having a little bit of a timing issue, and I may have to do the timing set, but before I do that, we're gonna try a new distributor. So let's go ahead and slap that in. All right, so I went DUI a while back, and I've been extremely happy with it, but I think my internals on my distributor are getting a little bit funky. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap a new one in. That's a new cap and rotor and coil. I'm gonna go ahead and keep that because I like the blue better than the red. And yeah, let's see if we can make this thing fire. All right, that was quick and easy. A whole whopping 5 minutes to slap that bad chicken in there. Let's moment of truth. Let's get a jump pack on it and see if she fires. All right, moment of truth. Coil power. We have fuel pump. Come on, Peanut. Coil pack, or jump pack. Yeah, so the poor little jump pack didn't have enough, and it might have, but I'm not getting fuel at the moment, so I'm gonna get a charger on her, and I'll probably drop her into number 1 top dead center and then restab that distributor and make sure we're all good before we proceed. So yeah, stand by. All right, well, come to find out, I didn't hook up my power wire to my coil like that's stupid. So I went ahead and tried it as soon as I found that, and yeah, she runs. Timing might be just a tad off, but I'm okay with that. I can at least adjust that, and we're good. We're golden. So yeah, had to jump it. Other Jeep had to save it. So she lives. So timing's not too far off. I think it's just a 2-year-old gas. I mean, pretty happy with all that. I'm gonna go ahead and get her up to operating temperature and blow out some of the moisture in the block, and yeah, so at least she lives. That's the biggest thing. And I'm gonna have to burn out all this gas or siphon it out. Yeah, 2 years. 2-year-old gas. Huh. So anyway, that's all I got on this one. I can do a full walk around on this thing if anybody's interested. Full width axles, 18-inch air shocks, a whole bunch of little mods here and there. I don't know. If y'all are interested, let me know and I'll do a full walk around. Hell, I might even do some flex shots and stuff, because this thing is a flex monster with the suspension I designed. Anyway, that's all I got for now. See ya. And do a boy a favor. If y'all like my content, give a like and subscribe. Yeah, we'll keep it coming.